Okay, we're here to introduce a new tool by Road to Nationals called RTN Edit. What is RTN Edit? It is a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro that assists in editing meet videos that you intend to upload to YouTube to show up on roadtonationals.com. In its most simple form, RTN Edit is an intermediary between Premiere and the Road to Nationals database. It allows you to put in a meet ID and a meet code that you can get off of roadtonationals.com and download a CSV file, a comma-separated values text file, which is similar to an Excel sheet. It looks something like this. It has columns of events, the order that they competed in, which you can change, first name, last name, their ID. This is important because this is the ID that the database recognizes the gymnast as. Databases don't understand who Courtney Baker is. They understand that this number exists. The name of the file name, the extension of the file, the score, and the date. It uses that information to assemble your videos into a timeline, into multiple sequences. In this case, it's going to make one timeline, one sequence for each event. And so you will end up with 4 videos if you're on a women's team, 6 if you're on a men, one for each event that you can later upload to YouTube. It then allows you to take the YouTube IDs, insert them into these fields, and send the data back to Road to Nationals with the correct start times for each event. Now the tool looks fairly complex, but it's really pretty simple. I'm not going to describe everything that it does right now, but we're going to jump straight to the meat of it and go ahead and click to assemble videos. We already have a meet that's set up here. We've already done the initial set. We're going to choose a motion graphics template and a sequence. Now what the tool is doing right now is it's importing in all of the videos that were in those files. Everything that was described inside that CSV file. You can see it's got 6 in vault, 6 in bars. It's working on beam. This is the longest part of the entire process, is just importing everything in and then rendering it later. It's almost done, and now it's assembling the videos into the sequences that we described earlier. And it's done. So you can see that you have now one bin for 6 videos. These are all the competitors that were in that event. Same with all the other events. And you have the motion graphics template, and you have 4 sequences. The motion graphics template is essentially this little lower thirds thing that flies out. This is all information that was inside that CSV file, the name, the team, the date, the score, and it sticks this on top of every single one. When you're watching this on YouTube, this makes a big difference because you're watching 6 videos in a row and you don't have any idea who these people are. It really helps to, very quickly be able to see this thing fly out and tell you who it is. That is the bulk of what the tool does. It's pretty simple. In the next video, we'll talk about how to install the tool into Adobe Premiere, and then we'll get into how to actually go about editing the video, downloading the CSV, sending the data back to Road to Nationals. In the end, I think it takes a process that my first time doing it took probably 3 hours, and it took it down to 10 to 15 minutes of actual work, along with a little bit of rendering, a little bit of uploading.